Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can enable watermark on your photos if you are using Vivo phones which is running on Funtouch OS. Open the camera app on your Vivo phone and at the top right you have this gear icon. If you can see properly, click on the gear icon. Now you will get lot of options. You need to click on watermark. Under watermark you have these different options. You have the option to select the model name, date and time, current location, or you can even customize. First let's select model name and let's take a sample photo. Here you can see that model name Vivo T2X 5G is showing up. Let's customize it further. If you want to have the date and time also, you can enable that, and if you want the current location of the photo, you can enable that. Now let's take one more photo. Here you can see that it is showing the watermark Vivo T2X, phone model number, location and the date and time. If you want to customize the watermark, you can do that. On the top right, click on the gear icon again and click on watermark and click on customize. You will have the option to enter the custom watermark. You can give any name of your choice. Here you can see that I have given Naiwik tech. Click on save, and I don't want the model name, date and time, current location. I simply want the custom watermark. Now let's open the camera and let's take a sample photo. Here you can see the watermark Naiwik tech. So that's it guys. In this way you can enable watermark to your photos on Vivo phones which is running on Funtouch OS. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.